In this video, you'll learn how to log out of your Binance account efficiently. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to ensure your account is securely logged out, whether you are using the app or the website. Start by navigating to the Binance app on your mobile device, or open the Binance website in your preferred web browser. Make sure you are logged into your account before proceeding. Once logged in, locate your profile section, which is typically represented by your account icon or a menu option. This action prepares you for the logout process. Next, look for the option labeled Log Out within the account options displayed in your profile section. This may be a button or a link, depending on whether you are using the app or website. Tap or click on this option to initiate the logout process. If a confirmation prompt appears, confirm your choice to log out. It is important to wait for the application or website to respond, as it will redirect you to the login screen once the logout is successful. After selecting the logout option, ensure that the login screen is displayed. This confirms that you have successfully logged out of your Binance account. If you wish to close the app or the browser window, you can do so at this point. Logging out is essential for maintaining the security of your account, especially if you are using a shared device or public network. You can log back into your Binance account by entering your credentials on the login screen. Remember to use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication for added security. When logging out, especially if you are on a public or shared device, it is always a good practice to ensure that you have closed the application or browser to prevent unauthorized access. That wraps up today's guide on logging out of your Binance account. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.